Hello friends, in this video I will be briefing out the admission procedure of various colleges and universities through NATA score. For better understanding of admission procedure, first let us go through some important facts of NATA exam. COA, that is Council of Architecture, which conducts the NATA exam, is not responsible for any admission procedure. The qualified students means the students who have passed in NATA exam need to apply on their own to the universities or college they are interested in. And the admission procedure of each college or universities are different from one and another. The list of architecture colleges which are affiliated with Council of Architecture and which accept NATA score for admissions are mentioned in the COA official website. The link of same will be given in the description box. You can check it later. Any aspirant who is looking for an admission into an architecture college through NATA score should first select the colleges he or she are aspiring to join. The selection can be made on many factors: the ranking of the college, the infrastructure, the faculty, the placements, location, etc. The list of affiliated colleges which accept NATA score are given in the COA website. We can broadly categorize these colleges into three categories. The first category will be of the colleges that falls under state universities like JJ School of Architecture, Mumbai, that falls under Maharashtra University, or Christ University of Bangalore, that falls under Karnataka University. The second category are of the colleges that fall under central universities like Chandigarh College of Architecture. The third category are the colleges that fall under deemed universities like Manipal, Geetam, ICFI. Let us discuss the admission procedure of all these three categories. Let us see what is the admission procedure of colleges that falls under state universities. More or less, all the state universities follows this procedure. Universities, after the NATA exam and the results, will announce the admission procedure on their respective website. When dates and procedure is announced, the candidate should apply and upload the required document for verification. There itself, he can give his preference of colleges he is seeking admission for. After verifying all the documents, merit list will be announced by the universities. Based on the merit list, the candidate can approach the college for the admission. For seeking admission into colleges that comes under central university or deemed university, more or less same procedure is followed. Students needs to keep a check on the website of the respective universities. When the notification is out, students needs to apply them and upload the documents for verification. After verification, the merit list will be announced by the universities. Important point to note that is, admission into colleges depends upon various factors like cutoff marks, number of seats for outsiders, reservations, ranking, etc. Different universities have different policies regarding seat allocated for outsiders. For example, Comet K, which is for Karnataka, have 40% of seats reserved for the outsiders, whereas JNFU, which is for Telangana, have very few seats for outsiders. Ranking wise also, colleges which have higher ranking have higher cutoff marks. Candidates should be aware of all these criteria of colleges he is seeking admission for. Now let us understand how universities calculate marks for merit list. 50% of NATA score plus 50% of 12th percentage is considered. For example, if a candidate has secured 150 score in NATA and 80% in 12th boards, then 50% of NATA score, that is 50% of 150 will be 75 and 50% of 12th percentage will be 40. Now we have to take a sum of 75 plus 40, that will be 115. So the cutoff marks will be 115 for that particular candidate. I have briefly listed the admission procedure through NATA score. However, every aspiring candidate should go through the respective websites of the universities and see the criteria listed by them. I hope this video has given some clarity on NATA admission procedure. Thank you for watching this video. Important links have been given in the description box. Thanks once again. Take care. Bye.